Good evening, God bless you all. Please tag and invite your friend. We do have a very wonderful topic today in Edo language. This one is going to be in Edo language. We might also be adding a little broken to it. We want to do a very wonderful program today in Edo language. Good evening, please. If you are there, help us do a massive sharing as usual. You are all welcome in Jesus' name. God Almighty bless you all. God will keep you and grant you all your heart desire in Jesus' name. Good evening, everyone. Please invite your friend. We have a very wonderful topic today in Edo language leadership. Just invite your friend as you do that. God bless you richly in Jesus' name. God bless you all. Please share and invite your friend. Thank you very much. God bless you. As we put this music here, let me quickly do one or two sharing. We start right now. Please help us to invite your friend. We want to do this topic in Edo language. We want to do this very wonderful topic tonight in Edo language. Please help us and invite your friend. As you do that, God bless you richly in Jesus' name. Please, if you are there, help us do sharing. If you are there, don't hesitate to help us do sharing. So every other thing I'll be suspended. Eternal King of Glory, we thank you for a while like this. We glorify your holy name in Jesus' name. Osanera, Osanomo, Osanori, no one. Marevo Revotana, Oboe, me, a new team. No big benigum. No, yeah, a bishop of activism, ya one way. Ibere no video, Guibia, when Guan, Zeve, and we Kayo, and Ho, edene na we oheke ni gwe okari oba oredo okari oba ge Nigeria ni gwenyagwa emeso nri eme baba ne baba ime tion bomen yetin ba metin ya temena we no we heke we ni Jesus Christ no mi ofan na do mi we osofo me na we dene na eni we no saloboa adoka about you no we ni Jesus Christ no mi ofan say please invite your friend. For the sake of our wonderful followers who does not speak our dialect, please, I'm sorry, I want to be dwelling on Treatly Benin today. Because there is something happening in our society which we need to talk about. And if we doesn't do this thing, if nobody can do it, we are done. And by the grace of God, today's topic is leadership. Now, if we are talking about leadership, ana gwanka okalotu. Manibi do maka boya wizire no bune we awene no ma okalotu ogari oba na kan. Then irewe na ni ka bodo guaveri ma viji magwa okari oba no ho okari oba ne khere. Then yawe lema veriye oge our traditional ruling council we yo. Iminaga yu na do mie we oligi wo nyaga no rewe ma de na we na ya mo so to he. Me uswenwa no wo papale lo wan do wa wo papale lo yosa venu wa be bi man anywhere do wa be bi omo be bi owan ve ti o saloboa nu dazi no mi wan fan obi ekori won yin obi sese so obi ro nigbe ira ma be ye na obi do yan kin so ido mu pa mo were re we awo ligi wo nyagan emi pata vizigan no rotedo vaga ya mien ofo won de que ma no heke no game asena na ya miewe yan ri oboyi maye ke ni mariata ave woke o monate na na se wage awe be no ha na edo ka bo we ya be pitan we no gbera we owe no ga te mata ma mi pon yo yiko owe so pan no we mi yo ya ma iyeme yata runda we aigaga go ne emi owe ogisunu on na te politics ile we ma oke ka boy do mu emi no hwari ya ke kakabone even no emuria o se mi no edolo yi wa do mi we ma ni bu ma be he we awori omo me evioto na adomu pa mu were ge abagba oge wa na mi wo ke ma me evioto ma me mi edo va bu edo enime wa he bo nebotie 1897 many years ago 100 years ago eginikin why na me we imana mayeje he wagawe ya we game we uswemi ne ikpoto kidu vio yan vio pa ne bo kege ga de mi opa ni magiu ne do ya lago dawo o ya me yetana reve na yen we have e offend man bon wo ke e me no ke no ta ota but wari no mawo wari yemi ne mawo wari efo runda we o ma be ta de wo we gba mefo ime yewe o but e do we mi ma o ma o ta now okwi pata bizigan o me ivie we so no rie we ma yan re do we yun yan be ya me yo yun gbovin gba me bere veni mana bere we bodene na nia ma be he u inoroto mama si o we gbowara mama ri owe gbera wu o me lele na lele bebo ana mi we wa iteme so eso awe yi ne na obi ewo na no erio etima ni bodene na nia yan ware gan voze we yan rahi ozi yan regan so do hiokba ne dome na ri ne fulani hesme ana do mi wo wi ni do se de na o uwi ni ori suyan abi an ri ni gbe awe yan iwari ewo yan so wo ga gbele yan be o ewo ke o ma ni abe gbe na ni ayo si gbe na o ma na gbon no yan be o but boy na mi wi ma wa hun wa he ne mi gari ya he ya be te be no wa so we mama kakabo uwe be no wa because o mi jaji e ma wi ma ihin but we ma be o mi jaji ni o we keke ilele no vere be no wa ma be abi lele yin ti ye do to ni because me ma I we school but dem ma be ro no be wo no be tele ou vient téléphone o be gwi ma be idwe kona de na So I'll be opening my line for anyone that want to contribute. My WhatsApp is open. You can call for contribution. I want us to do this thing together. Ike swemena gata. Ome. Emi ni oni ge mama. Uswemi ne. Ifulani hesme. Iya we gbomo. We mwa o. We ge kre no gbera na. Then iro we dene na. When we ebe no wan gi ma we be John. Owe asin ye va kekeve. Avi ye va. E Jesu gbe wa to. Esun ke do dan won. Owe dego yo salobo awekin. Owe nu yokuta na yakin baye. E Jesu na we kan mai we erun de ba pa agoro so gberun devosa. Ona we degbe ke ba be mu pa. Ona we mu ari e hotel Jerusalem. Nwo wa no Jose. Ona we yawe ge hen we owe dego yo salobo awegelekin. Owe nu we kodu hun nasan. Ami we ageli. Iwọn agbowo salobo aga yobo da we jina na mi we egbe we kian gwogo okuta na owe a kian dan osano huwe e we kian aga ugmebe ave mi na ya efe Jesu gi tayo to ne wo ya tayo to o ya orion ni ma na mi we mana ga re dame ke dame ni ma mi ga ga ta ima o ma no ri dame ni re now awonu nyeri ewe ma iya igeri majugbo iya igiyi majugbo emo iya do hisi gan yevo obian eyin agbelegbe yan now aleri mabiji ma the Benin Traditional Council la wage gbe wa ya bo me buwari uye are na ya he na demi na ri uyo na do miewe okupata bi sigan oriedo e wa mo oriedo ojo isi oya gbe wa ikawe webe e video no gbera na we wage aju yemi na na amana yu yo ewo nu iye emi eti lawoda obo are tawe ewe bodene na uyi waro we una gbowan uyi noro una le gbogbo ma be gbina ara mi wu so wan nigbe uwe de lo pia lu mozo ulu e vie ma bagbe uyale lo wan nigbe na uyi wero no be mu we but ona ga wa va so bo yo we na veni waropa no rie gan ro waropa because pia e wa va but una gboko uye gan e wa na mi ogbeso ya iga zegun amadogba ya be oni be ze me nunu e we nunu ma wa kon me gba kan bo de because man hu inore na na ya fe imagine now baba nania yoni vowe so ni ma emi no heki emi no yo salobo ya ti we no na muhu tanu we odion wo salobo amonu ya political appointment politics aya modion we o kawo salobo amonu ya politics aya mo kawo emi no yo salobo hanu weze as a governor or ona muweye ni kekete do panu itane oye ni meje na nia idoye gbe me lema gie uyogame ni bun wa hen we veno heki o mana iti ohun tane veno ya we mi gumento kapa mawa mari sola ba ye wu ni majo ina we wani re hotel in Nigeria wodo waka iri o wa nebo opa usun yana ino we vai na mi we ni makere we wakari yo mo we jo iri o heke orion no heke no ga gwe unhuta iro wa be do ke na be rima bi jima be ya be ibielima erima sonia eri ba we but ibi me wagai mo we yo me wa ma ba jime ona be na be tamame ege ni ebi ni re gbe na topa no ke maya hen be ne ewi mani ye ke gade ko to wa de wa no use oligi keke wo nyaga maya ya nwa se be ni maye na o maye me mi o pa dedede we lo carry oba ne kiri lo carry oba no kwa no uneri ma bijima use na be rigima bijima seso se ni wabun o gima be se na ne wona je ri o he because mama eti ewemi ve no heke o se no na je ri o ne voze we uyi ero o se no na je ri o now ni eko anana kirikiri iji mega iri bai o wo bi me wa ya o ilene o igege ba ni ma bunse o wo me wa ya ye we ma ye o we wa ya ri me ne ba asun ga ire o e ko si ga o e ko mo o we ko ga be fun wa o be fi me Ivani na do hu ewe o ma ira biene o ifien koze eri o ye una ga ira o kalotu ne o carry oba na nwena traditional ruling council na nwena enable the well-being of the people or is your first priority okay ka boy di meni awe ikawe so ladian ukpo na ga anu o yiwe da wa mokpo ne ina we na laho kawo dion we ko dion we no irori won ne ni a isi koko na do miewe ekine efulani hesme do aje do we wimana gbele ma bugbo ma ge ti mugbo guneri e bae awa pe suru abo ana do miewe uronigbe wori won se ho iya ga ho kawo na miewe osikoko iwe ladina be tianya kakabo na be tianya okawo ina wokawo atokpe okian wa kiana okian o maye wa no ina do tie ba na senate ekin america na duiko we no wa gbona ya ma he ina do tie we uronigbe senate nya yina ina na geledo wa ma we na ya miewe emi ya fe odode yo we no ekin ya na gbazi okugbe ugbebe be fulani herdsmen odo hiere muvamo wane aigbona ugbo awe mani rewo awa be takere iya be hewe amatubwe arioba ni mame owi wawe no ona ga irime governor Godwin no ga se Obaseki nagele na wo dion we awe kame ya ri ladian we nori na marese ma enwe magata mawe umana were oke nugi unhari e o kari oba no kwa federal ihe he ajaji oyi ma were ma tobi ma wa ladian ni ma gwan we petuge ni ma giunge Muhammadu Buhari we ni ma jena ibi e wo gbele mana bo kan ri uyona o mana ri we mi jobe no keke because edoro ne akedori e in Nigeria ke amaka nyagbe upe 1960 o se we ogi mani bi edo mado mu penegbi ma mado mu fu anegun egbe ne ana mi ewe yin awase wi ma yin agbi ma yawo no kan ma emi o pagiro na riso ni edoyi no ri ma wo se owe ni mazevoto mazo ese o ma keke ni munegbi ma mo ma gbe ebo salo ba mu yi ma bo ni ma gba oge o keke ni ma ga gba oge uyi orion ni ma me demo ni ma bie woke emi na wa sunu da mona komo no ri yawu ukpiri edote no zebe gwelo sabo ya hani maze maga eveni mama gegeni woji na mewe owi wenu we wa yesagi we wa bia ya begbe e kyoge wo makame na odo ye una ya seri ana America today ni maya leyo Europe today ni maya leyo una gbon wi awo de no ma keke o se na wa ebe na be tie chanesi ni wa ne bun won pa wa. Please pass this message to your father and your mother at home. We found out that doesn't have light. It took me time to try to kind of 2003 Spanish as but still being able to come up like this. At least let's appreciate it and share this video. Now we only came and we only last if na gimahe na hin we e bokparo no yomi ayaku e wana ya maya leri na do adelowa was in a wona na mose adam sagin we na me because we raw wa the best odos 20 verse 13 or we thou shall not kill e gbogore na ge be gbogwe usun ave mi na bi lele ni wuwe be no wan e ave bo ya yiyi ayoto ana emiewe ohonu ga Muhammadu Buhari ona la Spain ana mwemwe mi dan ve na ya gba bo yiyi aka we ovie Nigeria no ge o carry o kalotu o Nigeria wa mo pa ni ana minister for culture also ati minister for culture tie ero yewo ni wojinya ya huye vitali wa mari o ewo ke na o carry o bare do wa na miewe o material la dia vegan because uiro va na miewe uyi omwe ma bewere e magari ewima uiro no mu ya he now yama wa emi be petota no sunu e kini Fulani esme vedo ni mege no yimegwe ke no degbe we no degbe ana be yeme ya hie ha yomoru e mata eredota edo we e mata pama kon o heke na teme bi no gaye edo ye dene nania orion ni manivie do me we no be ma wo ne do aje o na aje video usana do bo ya be soma vi me nwade me do wa ba so yugbo avia music ave we gene odion we woni ladian o iti gbama awizi ga rodugbo izi ga ni igbama ya fe in agwa lori ladian vai na mie we evi ne fulani esme we wima ana ido ya hien a normal day to day life iya wa be gbe bo ni bodo ma me ni matayo e wo yeke ma mo pa agbelima wa do mie we e coronavirus na tana ro nana odo yi mani bun e wo yara o we usese ma ni ju wa hen bona uzola no gbera iogame no o e vada mo uzola na iogame na ladian ma association member yana be yawe ga mi be no bovese e mana be wuyo bore o kore no rie 200,000 o yo pa o ma no ye va o ma ne no radio boy va gbona ofu egbe ona ri go ladian mana be yawe ri ra e nevo ima we ni mu je po wa ge ni na ohun tani no ima we ni mu je po mana be ri va ne ma be mu egbo be ne ne ma be mu egbo be ne ne e ma be so be abi ri be ni abi kekene mi ave ge wo ke o ma ibe gba ire e na be uyo to me be ri repo me ibe ri yo iri o heke o ma na itie igbe leader ne yo ya o ni e wa ga ma me be mane agbona amu eri agbona pa no bo mama na we o fi uni me wori e veri ma ya o je me go particularly ve doni no fe wa afekian o yogwe o ya ye revo no we ge na mi ra e but we dig udowa udeyewe bo ebo be miewe o ma berio ariobo saloboa ero ne e mata ma we na geta o heke ni ma wuyo fi unye me wuri ewe e ma no ame gbe ni ona ga obi webo de no yimato to awe yi e padomo wewe wo bi me ununu ya tie mo bi we ni ina tie we to we umie meji wo ke obi me o heke ubi ave me ko mo bi dame o si na we e ma ya fe ni mebe ske we bo be se anagle we na do temata ni me egyo ame egbe ro iya ga agwali yobo ki yobo ebo na we wuya mi no ma heke imeri kupa agba ohono ga ogi aso ogi emi zebe we ukpo ni na ibe ze o ma mu me yukpo ni ibe ki no wa be ne ane ma ni be ri ogo be meni o be heke ni be we mi e brother o ten odion ibe gele we yin o si ewe e ma wa bun the way bona mi awa so ni wa be ti o labare o wa be ta we o pe ani o gele we na ira ma wa hia gbon so yo no repo we mi no an gbe o be ri na e ma so de na na ne ya mo wa America ya mo wa everywhere but e ma ru se lo marketiva e ma mi va e wona jeri o he devini ma me be ko diji ni ma me be ko wo ke e ni ma o ke upigbe no de ke na ya fi pigbe no de vi ma o ne do aye e coronavirus now a state government o carry obaredo o be we no tin o na kiro kan tin o me be ka tane we agba we yabo o se we me han dore na do afi pege we ma so na bo ibe mi e video so we social media e so we omo ekpe agriselva o mu ni an e so we complain ibe ge na we ave no ye na ma de gbe we yo uwe ba ni ma be do we ga na ave me bi ma awuso wan ma we gba we ro ko gbe e ti an ezigo e to me ni aje but bi da agbaro ne kere ni ma be ri ladian ma be ya be wuyo bonia I've been working now e kiri mama ti be se uson e ba ni be mu be yun ni e poli e ko mu mi nya hu e pure water na o mu yun hu o ga e popa at the end of the day go no kian e se mi ropa ga wuyo bonia na o heke ni ma change ne boti e mindset ma towards life e do ma de no gbe wa ho we na gba o biere o salo bo be gba o we we adoge we e ma ni bu wari agbon na ne today we are there e ma vaya je an re he na ogbon wa we ege ede ado to hu we abi to kimi eni keke bunye me ona han se ya ike yesu kana ya mama e video pa ore no ka bo ye e na ka bodo ya dame e di head be ma away 2 persons have been killed allegedly by suspected herdsmen in Odigi community in Ovia Northeast local government area of Edo State. Irian wagbele ya. Now, Edo State, you know, our traditional ruling council ya not how. Ni mana gadane. Awoke now, mare somewhere, adwiko. Iko ni madoba na. Evenitana, waberi asomo yagbe me. Emi mama ta. Iko ni madoni, wadoba na. Ikole security madoa. Vena miewe, ave gona ni do mi matona. Iya hulima. Okay na, vena tewe vena u. O tewe keke the government. O we mwigai. Vi ave ri igwe ya gane ma. Venu bona reba. Wona jiri ohe. Because mama e mwegbe ne wima ha ya ma. Ewe boni ma ya lerena. Are holiday. Are for Dubai. Ukbe na ti eti something. Iye korion o ma se Dubai. Ve Dubai ya kenwe no kian he. Unu ma. O mwen. Ve kwewe. Wagagele yo bima dole wima na yi. Idoge ene we. Oke kabo wa dane. We iriak mona ya sufo. Aga do megi jesure. Odova otonedo. Yeri oji. Orane. Ave leadership matter. And we can give account of it. Amen. Because when it say iwe. Oga eti morioni. O imoruni. Ni aya mwi yoto. Agele jini. Veni kata de deyi. Ayi pata ziziga. Ibi manodo hi pata kiziga. No we at a cotis. I want mwen agba oyegwa. I will know. That is traditional discipline. Evo ni lele ye. Emi lo ba ti gbabo. E dan dore we mi ya no kon. Ana mi we after our traditional ruling council, Rija sen yemi ne. E cotism no igbele manane. Kage nikba, demi obe na idegbe yu, nebote the necessary measures. Ugme ba anyame, owin yen ti yoto. Ayan yen ti yoto ge yen me nwa gbege odun yen ga atin lakian. E ohuwe. Na be wo ki yen kan bi ave fi yen be baku. Iri ono. Awa bi omo dante. E mari bi do so. Today, edene na emi ye bun nation we donné. But why gado ye politics? Ya moins edoria. Ote donné o wa me nebotie historical background. No kwe maso e Great Britain. Magawe ne do temo mani viedo o ga temo. Magawe we no wa ajebe no je na obi ma we e oye. Because why? Mama I do we akugbo etin man egbo dene. E ko we odigi an agbo mama we. O ma kan e ki adolo. E ka dolo we yi o ma ke ego we yi o ma kame. Use wo ma kame. Ogida wo ma kame. Ana emi we e nwani so ho. Iyan gigi ma yugbo. Awo dion we, wa go dion we yi. O dion we ara viera rebe na awe ogego we dere oni a. Ayi viera na be do sigmena. O ma heke no ogego ko e be because zero gie no kin o me bae. E bae ni the government arioba muladian. O heke no gae e ma nemera nemeye nema gbogwa ka bogwa hiye nyane e bae ni e okin. E uwe no be me uye be vi ohin. O si na we ba ni ave Ghana e politics o be bunsewu we ave world leader be world chairman wa ya zanzo wian wa we ni ado vion boyo to even do we ya o kan ado vion boyo de ba ni agai ni amaga bunse ni avio ariowa e so awe ni ya zoro an and awe ma no heke e ba an association magai imawe ni ya ga bigbina do wa ni ra me bo wa yi imawe ni amu ari ro nigbe o mani me o mari no kan ba ni e driver hima no fi motor association hima e ba na be mu woke a wa gawe mo gizo popa na be ave ri o wa le ma be gane e ba ma so bo yi be tie o we no wan o we zere o kalotu me ibe kin o wete o kalotu o mu bi eke so fa ni ma pa ina we onim we wa gba se mi anana o we efu o we owewe e ilele be no ya we mi e oni bi ame egbe manu me e bi o eke no ye. But today reverse is the case. Let me show the video.
Youth and residents of Odihi community, despite the social distancing directive of the state government as part of measures to curtail the spread of coronavirus, protested against the killing of 2 residents of the community by suspected herdsmen. The headless bodies of the victims were on the ground, just as some used AK canisters were at the scene of the incident, an indication that the victims were killed by gunmen before their heads were severed. The situation resulted to blockade of the Benin-Akure Expressway by aggrieved residents of the community, thereby creating traffic gridlock on the road. Narrating the ordeal, some elders and women of the community said the victims were killed on Tuesday evening when returning from the farms. The residents, while lamenting unending attacks by suspected herdsmen, said they now live in fear due to the incessant attacks on residents of the community.
They were returning from the farm yesterday when they were attacked. 2 of them killed. As you are seeing it now, how will somebody rearing cattle will be using AK-47? We have
Okpanu waketa na wama unite edoma unite na iwana so ukpo na so ukpo no de ona emekwe
we don't have farm.
Emekwe no na ori na do ku wehin ebuwe your ancestral land otoneru we you we ancestral we say ayi water
I want to take over.
odimegbe wagun
We have children in the university, but today they are no longer.
we mo yet in your school.
Apart from this COVID-19 that stopped school now, our people have stopped school long time ago. We have nothing to eat.
We are maybe because abi ipata bi gan gan aye
They
yugbo.
will just graze everywhere.
We are here if you call ya fe ya for gbogbo.
We not see them again. We they call them now. They not go. Not be this morning now because they say keep them for years.
Men of the vigilante group and the Nigerian police from Ekiada Law Division, led by the DPO, CSP Abdullahi Wase, were on the ground to maintain law and order.
The DPO Ekiada Law, as you can see, I'm the one on ground here to ensure that there is no breakdown of law and order.
The police public relations officer at the State Police Command, Chidi Wambazo, in a telephone interview said the command is yet to be briefed on the incident.
Area wa yan. Area no carry wa yan. Area wa yan, area ya fo. Ai mi wa ni gbe ma ni. Ifulani esmer operation.
Bodies of the victims were still on the ground in Odihi community.
This is not the first time residents of Odihi community in Ovia Northeast local government area of Edo State has been attacked by suspected herdsmen. In the minds of some Nigerians are what are relevant authorities or police officials doing to ensure that these suspected herdsmen are brought to book? From Odihi, Ovia Northeast local government area of Edo State, I'm Rosalie Evorame reporting.
So, na ya fe, okay ka boy ipamodin. Ma nibu aga wewe awe governor, o ma wona. Oyo enu salobo aje, wa te be Jeremiah. Ona o salobo ana kan be Jeremiah. Ogun ado salobo aga ano. O wi hen wo wa re ku yiwe. Yen wa hen we yen nu akan. We just wire iwo. Ona gbon ye in Matthew chapter 7. Wen yon vin yon wa. O we no igari enu en. O we so boya be ki enu en. Even we na ri oba e. Ari oba kan wo nu we. Ari oba pa tin we na ya. Ari oba pa tin we na ya. Awo we ya fe ni gire done enaiti edo ebini si chokpa anagele gada mayana kugbe no sugwa patawo ayi gbukun yekun o e government e nore na gima wa mana imu fo me ye na ma we kan mi gba ma gima e kini ara imu yan na ai gbin ayoto we the federal government moko bu ma de e tini e igbi bi edo e money ma bie ma ti gbin agwan na yo si gbelegbe yan. Then my be protected, my be bauri ma no saloba we vionema. The very day, e deni na mie we o salobwa ona imuwe kuwe yukbo kukbone. Dumano ogun do bauri ma deba emi ni ame. O saloba wenu do ama wenu do fele no ado wa de Dubai we yi e mo yiwe so igbe. Aze e mo yiwe so igbe nu yafe. Unu ma gu bege we. Unu ma hamega agbe aya woge webo wan unu oku osi unu oku ogbin na Ugabe yoe omano ya sie etikoe. Ewowe rohia. Ayatewe. Iori makabo negbi matana. Particularly Maniviedo. Also, I'm talking to the elders. The elder statesman. If you mau yagba oge e monosalo ba bio di make. Let me give us some points. I'm going to read this one in English. Jesus' basic motivation was love for his followers. Uswemi ni Jesu wakakaboga u o awe moma da yogaye. Jesus was fully aware of the position of the leaders. Or wawe kakabo wabe kukpo no zewanji veni ave yawe mi he. Then Jesus voluntarily become a servant to his follower. Ona ve yegbe ya fioha nema no baoge ana miewe ona gbon be Philippians uvieva uneva uvisenva owe gioriona vega guwero orion no ga gwi Jesu no gemaro vi Jesu ro e maro pama we I Jesu we to kapa be mama o waru pa oso ho ona ga me o 100 o wuwe 100 ni opa na wiwo ona vie 99 ro ona hwie yu wa ona ga kian ona ya gwa lopa no winning o ma we wa ge e 99 na wa ye bun egbe ma di verio wo ye Jesu ya mu ile ni yoto rundi mani vie do so o ye Jesu ya mo yoto o ke ka boy di me we be no wan ni matie I matie kekan mama riye me ni Jesu ta iyawe mi e wo na riye me no salobo ata yoto yawe mi emi dan o sunuwo o we gi orion na ga gu wero no bi agu Jesu no gemaro we ga ipe video na fo no gele ya wo yo we dorion no ga gu Jesu ro awe mo ana gbo ma nu we mo e ma na vion we da ya na gbe o ma keke no rie bae ugwale keke nekene ya ni riaje kemi no gawu uwe na miewe emi nani o ma de gbe sunu. Then he did not come primarily as their foot washer, but he was ready to do the service for his follower if needed. I Jesu ma ware no do akpe yoga owe. But overe na miewe o mwegbe no ya we mi kemi anabe iyanabe ave gwalo no we na ni obe gun ave we o se ni Jesu ona be powe yoga re wo ya we o wi gi emi mato na miewe obe enwe ko karioba no we ri aje kaze na izuwe o kalo tu hian o die gbo hian o heke wa we mi we a e mana ya efe ototo me aji o heke e ni atiwu niwe na na miewe emirokpa o ma wi bere me vai na miewe aga igbele ma bebo o ma kan we o ka we mo si ma se aden ya gbe no ka wa ya ri ku gbagba no kune o kari oba no kwa gege Buhari aje Buhari asan e Buhari ma se na ya asan aje asan a iye igo ka we mi ya okuo ore donate for long okpe no kokere do e ma mi awe na gbele bi edo kirikiri iya ko gbe lori ma kirikiri wa we mi ata ba e unu mewa na ho owo digi ni okpe ni akedu ekina e na ya so agado iwe ni gwaveri ma kiji ma begun ni ariku gbagba ni asili osore wo yan aragbon aro se edogbe yin ayaye why na miege egun otona averima wigi magbe yoto watebe proverb chapter 22 verse 28 or we remove not or we get ye ave emi naverima ne de uyoto or we no get ye eri obokan remove not the ancient landmark which your father have set up. Now when eruwe yakoku were ere kilinga arege ruwea ere kilinga arege yuwea ona ti mu gbo ya gba we vai na miegwe ni do asun wa we he we magi gwale emi na gagi u na ya mie wo stop I do mie wo ke now magwari oba gwane ari oba ma ori marie me ni maka mahia be zo wo bi ma be u I wa mwiko ni ugme bai kama oba sekine we maru ki okpa no kame fulani hesme awa be wa we ye petuge edo ya wa von oye na revolution ni mami ke na dio kari oba no kwa Muhammadu Buhari we ni ma yena amegbere agai na ame alahin wunare giari egi no do vie ma we erio okona gade ki papera no ma wa gwe kon e wo pa ka irede owi abuwa wo gbele mana my ladiamata awe to baseki mari gbeladian o baseki na iladian no we ga se o to igi o ma gire o do ga be kameya o do ga bi gbama ya fe o do ga bi gele o do ga bi kweki o do ga be rima ave moni yesku avo gbugbo eyan von o igi o mare no do gue e manire gun we now wage BBC NTA ga mo ATV ga mo e federal ne na ke teme no wa se we Evona mauna de gbe mi nana bo eni ena we yi evona e nana igele ma bo then America e ke ma be ye di amara yo to ma we ma ko wuwe na gebe no hian he ana mana ibe do mi ewe ma ne be ma unu o salo ba be we ne we ma be mo we ne o wi ma be so to ne ma usun ano no mo re gboto then ma so ga be ta be petu e ta social media we a federal government vai na mi we mi ne do ta ma ye we he eri mahana ti ame allow down when it comes to security issues in our state. Mana aka we no basaki wona obasaki on ata ogbo emi bu ne hen tin o wana be we be ni meka na obasaki to bo wa be mu he be pa because yen to bien o make no keso I do me we yi e Fulani esme amara sin ave Kogi State va na mi we ne do state to iwe he wo han ita they prove no me no iri ladian wa ya mana ve ladian we na ye na gima na no salobo ari no ma o salobo no wa de na bi we wo ye be gbon ye be no wa we o we nu no ya ari no so bo yen ga ki no so wagima no wa ga he no ba se ki do we wa do ladian no wa do ivel apo na ba we no e do ya fe gada we no rena o maresi o ku ha me no rena e ga deban nene mani mego na ave mani o manu ha me gbe e soro yet control egbe. A hungry man is a hungry man. O man wa me gbe owo mo e am happiness. So e can me no ma we me 20 cars be compound the way. I can't we I be car wo so we ba I be ku we ba so wa ni me go se o tagbon na ya fe e wo nu we ye e ma waro no zedo we no we ze no ma mi ba e hu no no we I go ya bi go sono e o men e be dro gbe kini video e we bo wa me mo to amebi o eva wa yi mo te ha una wa fi eri o ke ho na e bi e ma ya dele oni ya kefe so dekina legberi na vai na mi we ma so ga iwu ma fi oyi ma aturo o makane o salobo amuwe ye kitini nu mieke na gba ore wa egbuwe a onuwe be ya gba ore ma e ko nuwe me davi we no American anagbe ni innocent person every innocent citizen no mara o ma do yi o ma je ha we roba ona wu o keke nuwe be kio be nuwe be kio bi we nuwe ye isagin we ya bie eri o keke no gaje eri Jesu no gi ma beta o we Jesus wants to set an example for his follower to follow. If Jesus no give man, all we give you to. Na me we manivele lekia ni ave mekina be zokpo we ne. O se we be no wan mo boya ku me yakugbe because men ru da we men mo bi menata. Ya we tie be no wan iwe ona wa be river ne. Wa we tie be John. Ohun igbe, uvio wo. Owe oso wan kin. Owe oso hu anoma. Owe to mweda gwan yoto no hu anoso. Igiemi oye na ga uma yogai na tie disciple. Ana me wana tamia be Philippian unwe va uvisenva we gioriona no guimena be ga be guwero. Vi mana miehima ima hevi do we mama ina betie we na ya lead he. Who surprised where the very day now make you all doing way, and we have to pay homage, you know. What can we reciprocate back homage in here is to make sure you draw the necessary strategies. Naya me where a mana we no baoge, a miro pama we yan. E me na ibe bagbe. Umo la court. Awa mwari oba amo la court. Even wa yak bele mi ma o to agbe na. O segene do ayak bagbe. Oba se kyo pa tin we ya. E Sylvester pa o carry oba re Orion local government o ladian uzo le va no gbera. Ona do gbu ijo wi yen rie ipede ekesuge. Yen rie re Fulani herdsmen ni ayak pa ni Orion re. Amami uwe di 18 local government amami no 18 down. Voze we e dadore ga lavane inwinigo or moya afe. Then what is the duty of the government? Protect lives and property. That is the number one aim. E one we are David Dubai or hekino right first priority way. Oko amela donenia. Enene COVID-19 na ga do boy for corona virus na. Ona ido boy fo. O ma no maka mi wa ye na. Boye ya mi wa ye. Ona be ma we ni no we mu na mi go ukiuki. E wari osori gbin. E ma so now. Wa ya video yan me opa ni mi be epetuge. E Facebook, social media. Yan fi moto ye gbo. So nenu we wire the wire for 2 weeks. We getting here right now. Ori ma we ma negbe. E reserve aya leave. E wari ya. Because I have the beer. Not the insurance. So, wagimaye ma ya we ni maye na. Na do mi we emi ya fe ogba. Wa we tie Hebrew chapter 13 verse 17. We Bible however, or we obey them that have rule over you. And submit yourself for the watch for your soul. As they must give account that they may do. Ili oyo be no one. Or when marry ogo no wa na wo kabo. Or when marry ogo no wa ne local government chairman. Or when marry ogo no wa kuwe kaze na iguwene na izuwene. Or we because wa ma no gba ori ma. Ege ede osalobwa edibo yen gare osalobwa do know we. E ma ni vionu wa ya gba ori yan. O se we the very day nu kin unhunta neboti a leader, you have more responsibilities. What take have ye deho? The very day now make you a commander of the chief of the armed forces. Woke a man of can lead there or kuyoku. Inaga yoko working. Any part of boy where ye deho. Because when I be a deho, instruction no can give in here. Who de no can buya, wumbi of their buya. Or say where era no enegbe, or you could back no yakba with more. Iye no enegbe, or you could back. Be no yakba with more. Emi ne mo here. We nerian oyi una bia oma no be family ne e wona ye do zu we ne we do gwi magba o hemi na o keke nu ga me nwa o se ni awe wa me we e ma so ifiru pe ge ma ni bun ni aya we o fi nyume wori we ayetin we a system of government makame a government yobo a government imerere just for us to go we to create a job we ye we bo we me opa no we de mi na ige be gbu we na han ya we mi. Ina sedo wa hwenia emi bun ya wa mi no ami guy ina be jigwe abiji maso iye ti mi agbada dagbade vanu ibe amebo we to do boy we manu but o be give lo because why ibe ka be mi one ba we iye ti be your pifie emi opa ro ni me han tin wu ama we ye we bo ina ye do we wu e bae ti le na ta we no wa make na ya zeme o ime be dopa we ya do mu epeti iyo ma be yo. But when a wa yama, eme mudi ayi. Ado miewe, mabi atuto mehi, mabi abe tuto mebo. Eke egbe wagbe wana. Eke yutima, yaga wulo. So yo sigbe le gbin awa bodo. Aina do miewe we no pe oba. Uye aye ru meso. Nana miewe iya ye. O isi wa gbada ya gbe le gbin. Una do bo aro, ima we no ge aro, erima wa no problem. But why gwe mona gwa emi na bi ma mu egbo mama we na ya iwe mi na why to boy we you iwe yo then do wa be o kalo to orin no be seku we kamia e mana idegbe mi o si ya no ware bo na wa viere emi na idegbe exist ugbe na mie we emi na we na go we ni mayaga me kokpa e maguwe uwa iya ari yabo uwa iya mu attention the government e we gi agi mi omo no iye school agi mi omo no gi jugbo ba me ipata bi ziga no von we then aye do ku we you so one we yi o ma odion we na e black cat we no oni emi ekwe no we oni emi ekwe dato tunu weje ibieka iya do ya we iya ya gba ke yeye imawe mena be mi ibe deba but wagabi abi han mi be wu veni meje no me ni han ye tin wu ehue no ado mi o managbon o ya lo lofin ewe bo be ma ero very o wa maye mi no egu wagun but iwe ndo last fe na ta no ma wo wari e me mana be son me so iya be fi wori o salobo egega se imagine we asikoko no weje ni emi na go mo egbo ogiye o idokin na ya gbelegbe ida o ha mi ya e na degbe sunu o uyu iyo we na no degbe wegbe unyimi na e gon han wuji o ya we program padokpa ina we ho mi de ba ho salobo o salobo ri ma me we o wan no can't stop a killing no redo or our traditional ruling council o ma be ro we ya stop e don we ya na gather with different 18 local government ya na wa gather ya vi mama be ya dagbe ati no we ga se Obaseki o wi wa e no governor no ne rie mo re uyina yo ni mo area of assembly ma ori ma gbo yi na yo emi ma wulo ne mama we ne awa boy wa be na o ma ona gbo ina yo koma na gi mi wo nyunyi me gbe ana ado mi wo ka do hon we e court we hin uwe ya oppressive man ai wa gba ho traditional discipline awa gba ho agbamu ye Iran anyway at all e mobo ya hi onya wa then iwana imi we yi oje mi ana na wa o keke ni en egbe me a generation na na we make pa hi worry 17 years ago now 2003 e moya na bi evege ne wa ma tin gba o he iyan no wa bo wo ina jeri o he so ari kona na koni a recording we a record ka wa ko wa yi wa yi wa na e gon gbeli magigi no wa u parewo everybody play politics de nu we gi miewo anagbe o ma be bo nu we yi e we ke ti de hin vana mi we emi pataki we no kekero to e ti de so variant ti agmun u fo me yo ligi wo nya kan ro te do na he na o keke na veri ma bi mani an pagbe wa we social media ni ave ti mani bon e so we e din do ti yan now abo on mi la ve do wo yi e din do ma ti ni abo on lokun nigele wa golokun ngele dege we na gba gbon ma idan do re akin e ba ko e social media na e din do ina ti mani bon yan do abone ma anaveri ma bi ma dege na we ibeleku keke bo re yan ta yan gun ayo adole no ro wayi adole no risi yi okeke e ma put more effort o wa ke e no keke no o carry back by the way ya I'm of the opinion that traditional ruling council of the great Edo State, of the great Benin Kingdom, should be effective. Nika aboka we pon wa na ebo ge oto na tebe sinmi. No be do gbera. Oni be line ebo. But emuna wa ye bun. Ebe no wana high or we the harvest are many, but the laborers are few. Emuna na wa nwina otedo or wa bun. Okeke ni mayama figure ya unyime. Mana amunyime. Anati dolore mave. Anati ve dolore yi. Wana yo eti ebe proverb. Ebe Psalm 78 verse 72. Always so he fed them according to the integrity of his heart. And he guarded them by the skillfulness of his hand. Ebe no wana hen. Eri maso yan wa ebe. Awe olabani tie na ebe no wa gi matie na ya dolewo yi ebe no na ya dolewo yi na miracle na ana do miewe ebe ni mateme ave bimi ave bafo atebe yahwe emebe kpa e church na do vendo ana be church ni ya fe o mo pa no sunu e ke wan do degere na ona be do we kare yen gbo wo yen but ma ya gwale e miracle yen if no reke ni ma o mariwe wa be tebe proverb 16 verse 12 it's an abomination for kings to commit wickedness for the throne is established by righteousness owe eviuku no o ana mwege na noga meko na tosi noga meko no wegbe o mana rizene yeye nega me no meko na ya to ma owe oku de baimia wae no owe ruda ege na munu eni amu enu ne mi yama it will be given to you under what righteousness again you amu that it was established by righteousness. What is righteousness? Right standing with God. So a commitment ima maniviedo o kaka bol lugan o carry obaredo o carry obaredo e so gbe 8 years in pa e so gbe 4 years in pa local government pa but we no carry oni owu o mi we you to wow demi batakin we wow ile nu o heke e dan di gbe ya be ile lore no be ya be we mi wagia ko bokugbe na we ma ya lawo dao. Whatever Matthew chapter 5 verse 37, he said, but let your communication be yes. Let your yes be yes and your no be no. In anything beyond this, come from the evil mind. At the time, in a wawai, agai, areawa, areawa. All you know, soon will remember to Panija will carry and make example. Mana do itie maso. Nebo to investigation. Mana do investigation. And I do when I do when I okay. In a guaropa one way. A fool and yes making a whatever. When I me where a woman or rewuni or ye o born in no yaro. My gilly doge who swim as or runic biva. Or few talk. The fool and yes man. Megati and king when I waiting a rente. Arim we fool and yes man. No ni fiji pirevena yatama. Mowe tame the person o yage wa notanase because emini e kunkonye enwemi si me owe gemi no sunu because alobo atori osalobo atori aigele ya mupa mo were nge ana do mi we e ma be woni ogele fiunto le fulani yesme você bamigo o que via moto ne ma me wan give do they are peace loving people my wan avegbe but waga calculate e man fulani yesme egbele be women who have given them the right to start killing. We inore o carry obano kwa emoya. We inore carry obano kere emoya. O miene PRO to police commissioner of the Taban. Even know what I need to say. I investigating. Now, vi magusi koko. Yoni manegbi matana. Then I will pay na biro. Na we asa na okuki biro. Bagu asa no we. Etie government okpa ese na yena wagima money be call. Wa be Philippians chapter 2 verse 3. Or don't be selfish. Do not try to impress others. Be humble. Or when we are make down. E we mi aba we or we bo mwegberi uto. Bebe nu ya you. Or when we ore ma be say venu ya ore boy. Eri o we be look. Chapter 6 verse 31. Or we do unto others likewise what you may want them to do to you. When in our hands when I got a position in my ye and oheke in my way so we are supposed to protect your lives and your property. Mama nawe wa fi. So amaria zenwe no do ya delu wa do irresponsibility no. No be we but a narrative of Nigeria o carry obagima ona figure we iwa mi opportunity na oye na nwune lottery opportunity na wa ya rewo yin aro agbele ma be go makan wa agbe ye kori won makan wa okan ya we ni awulo do sage wan agbelo ni due to imnepotie your negligence and your carelessness egega dey o salobwa onne mani boy. So to lead o ma easy why we azewe ne udu atangada bomu a responsibility no kwa no why. error is the higher responsibility in life. So in my own, you gotta take away entitlement, you know. No, the responsibility of the people lies on you. Wa wa mi we aiwa hanos aiwa zenele we bomana o manote wa mose o me a vice president in Mabema not a Pablo Iglesias at here. The real president is Pedro Sanchez. Vegeni man has one rule a party of oil control. Ari do mwewo ne no da ya ori don yen ikwe mi boya saleto eri mose no ka mose because why responsibility no. Every man up on me where or my one he governor or my care because one wa country now. Igba man nota, era nota, iye nota, but a doke kegare, usalobwana in no water. Walking at camp usalobwa because swimming with wagekre na usalobwa ya no water or where everybody is going to give account of his still worship. Imi atogime. Where it togue or moi toge, era toge. But many leaders. The people that are leading, you have a bigger responsibility. Also, we're up to now. A governor ne, and we are someone quite do today. Okay, for loan shows are Bruce Ali. Você we otemwe lele so you to we awamu we governor amagonu yarigo do level yi no. Adolo yibe bu yi sege na pabore iri o kino yi. Very ma be dan we ona usalobo afe no jagbon ye imi no re dagbon no tanema while it be Proverbs 29 verse 2 or when the righteous are in authority the people rejoice but when the wicked beareth rule the people the more. That is to say when I do una mupa mu werenge woje ma ya viere dona that is to say e mani ro o hekeni an wo fi nyime wori I'm a plan A, I'm a plan B. Omazo, una vez we uzeti mi mahon, le azun we otegun yan gwan mari. Continue. Omoda gabie e gagboa. Ire ma gun ye. So, we gebe nu yagba o hiwe. Ire ko yagba we onu ye. Do ati do one we America. Le azun o yan ti do one e ya. But when I ti rige evo salary we no so we gbe weri uri ge wo weri akawe when I do o one of you we America no ya ji school esumi pu yaro o heke e mono veredo at least gian ave mi anu we eri we do so ba we kam wa mana fi wori no hia wusi the leaders in Nigeria Africa at large error. This is the voice of God. Imagine anybody take a person or one of the choose not take a person I mean me there what imagine this is how it's supposed to be. What you might have webo anado mewe mayari la webo ne ogogona do late do de webo the webo de te webo na ni mayaje na ni mana Yesu se na imaye try ni maye dolo ye na ve do age aye he watalo unu esi vo servant obo wai e maya fe no bo wa be na no we teacher otun ewu yo bone otin so do turn so otin so we go foundation wagado tu no wa no ka redo before e ma ya fe no pa yin gwere ve na ave ra waro no bun ave ka mi ni bun ovi we no re webo oze erie ewebo na ga je be ne do wa je na be ne Nigeria je na we emi awaso no ona hin bo o makane and the responsibility we no we gba o ma no salobo avio no we. Could you know today Osalobo agemi dan sono. Ina wa bi boke oban. O me mate sokoro. Enebo me an wa to gbalegbe. E 5 minutes kese yan zega mane. Ave we o wan ekwikin. Ko u no mo wan ekwi o mu me wan. So fi ma isi obi ni gbo wara. So o heke e orion o heke no gwi maya. Emi ana ba lele me gbina woke. Iyan koko gbe me bo de. Iba vie so fa osiyan eva oyin alolele megbina ina wa be ye court ave wo ma de kwukwin uhini no wa be muyan aba be taladian vi maya ti do ya mi agbade ave we bona ana mi ewe edo mi arade do na fi ma afian me irunrun ana salobo ala egun mi pata mizigan salobo ala egun de consider ma re we bo fu magbe ma tiri wa ve no keke no ye e mo ga bi wa yen we e manire social media ni pa o ligi wo nya gani ave gbe ya je lere ni be do gun kan ni be do we but e man de no han ga kin o salo ba we me ya ta e mi logo ya ga lo e be do we ta ve no salo ba no jagun ye mi wa be yo na be yo me ko na e na be we do tekere wo e mi ma o wa ta e wo yeke e wo ye no eke no ye. The well-being of the people should be the concern of our traditional ruling council. The well-being of a government of Biting Warner. At least the security aspect of it. There should be a massive protest. We know what Gualoyi. We are not where a mona bieni. Yamagien de Bian. Wagbi and Werima. Wagbi and Werima. Ona the Zoe work in the Yado Zigo. Na ya pe ni mano hanga muyare wa betime dikpen senve mi ibe di ladian dek big baby no ibe di ladian. Everybody should be concerned to protect lives and properties or heki ni makewa ni soin e development ana do boy mo transform wo se no kpa na redo de na ukpa yere do wa e o de we wo se no kpa na redo na because agenda na federal government okede but mana do boy ave so na we ma ori mari egbe Matire di egbe mi so e mu pa e government ma ori mari egbe awori won ye abi gba ma ya imudia ma ori magre yen be no ye ni kin aye up till now ma so de anybody gba ma no ire we bo ne won be no ye kin aye e o ma ya ho e pa yo so dubu i wa rete many fair there unu ye me na gele ka bo confirm me because awori yon we no yan ma mi ro pa ni awori yon e pastor Zaki ze ya ma mi ro pa ni awori yon no one single development as a politician yan Ave Viante, we should give and the rest. They have nothing they have done for Orino. You see chatters up to today. All these are leaders. Now, nene go no why come. We no why ye. If you why maso dia no why we work be why do wa money have webo. E can very well be webo na ati we yo. O. Yin ati we yo. E webo na mayaje. Dia na wi have say me. Gi owi ama me ya na me ya de wa. E webo ma segbe wo. Wa dagbo udowa ebeni me ya dowa we 2006 so ye gwi me ebeni ya dowa ugan opo no sugbo so wa ana be ko be hand over but all ye be ro we omona okamo wa we na I still have the expansion structura the plan of the I still with me amami me so agmona pano. So I will maybe be more where over mass anybody. I yes my rema. A black cat in level one. O do one am many nutina mu. When I ya woman in me down. E get a bit imanati gi won we ran ma be me say. E wa ya we o ma raw no wa me natural strength to do anything o no. Wa ga yo be ma dole we ma yi. E bo dollar yan ye mana mi aje be na. E wo ma ana wa ebo dollar yan yi e mana vie ma de obo ni adwa je school ori won yan agbe yan hatai ori won wa mo ye ne no ye ori won wo ye ori won cannot boast of at least or let's say 5 million building a 5 million work o wana or what they can ye wa send egg me WhatsApp where a building na ori won or what a 5 million yen now ne no ye no rori won ni ara gba oge o ye ni ro na ya to lewo yi your personal use o se o mege no be se na we ke dan doge ma ko do anerun o ma ko ma emi no yi keke wo ni o ma no ri ni o ma gbe wa de na ni o me video ba ni mi e Sylvester ori won local government chairman iba na guy yan be ga so bowo Gumwe mawa. Ineru ni mio, ni me di video. Ni mo di video mawa. We no be ya guy. We no be ya be sobo. Ona be ya ko be ya be guy ba. We Sylvester. Ori won local government chairman. Imi o bana download there.
The Orion local government Chairman Sylvester Okoro, who supervised the distribution of the food items, commended Governor Godwin Obaseki for the relief package, with strict instructions that the items are for the most vulnerable in the society.
Now, come possible, man? Imama ena, imagwale e social media ni mangre, cause ege ka boro video, ege kiane. Now, what your government yari onare? A concern, a government yasho. Vene paquete domini waye. E manigleri wa isena de nya ye vunyako. Ko di ba mama atie. O mano kari mane we domwe nanane. At least yan ye be show a concern we maguwaro be ko no mao. Wuwe oligi wonyaga ni majena o we coronavirus na. At least a concern no. But the continuity. Veno wo ya continue e. Vi ma hati ya mugbo he. Vedo ado ya kine e monirisi a radio wa yan agogo he runda we a kan ni buwe kan loso won yan 2017 o ma kitale pa ana wa yo sigbe at least mapa o han megbe mapa mo pa mapa ma sikito mapa ti yugbo kibi ma uwe ni na gbona wa ne di covid-19 no wa fun ni na gbona Aragbaro said, don't be me a yajin. What ba maybe one ever webo, emi asunu uledia webo, salobo anne, or one nema. Only men oba, wagima will fi name would it. It didn't get again yegbe. Imaunik back with a video na. So heke, if no wa heke wano, ni ma yu yemi no bun, ni magele ladian, we kwa no ma, veni ma we on salobo anene. Mana via ancestors, my ancestors in my give you. But oveme emino salobwa ni Jesu to boy ve muyoto we no heke ni maya live a life ma be he. Dionia. O salobwa o mu ma yekete ni mami eke na ni wa me no wa ni be rekete wa me ke na wo yo bonu ma be. Wo yi ma blame government, government ma wona. Runda we ma ya hene we u duty of government. Imuna no so egbe no we no sikito garebo iwuna no so egbe no we no mo pariebo iwuna no so egbe no we no nukpogama oyi mata so owe yi mebe ya bere na we usu wani no we gwini owe ke yiwobo ere owe ke yimobo o bo ni me abe ti we oyi mebe una ika abo kpuru yin no mana wane na wi gbama ibi ore na miena veni aya live life si he Veni aya mo nyi mesi he ebe no wan kan tiefo e ma ya no be lele me bu vien yan ya han gwe e o ma re fo mefo but o we mo nyi me dano ma amen ugbejegbe u vi no ma ro viola bien o se egwe vege no pe ugbe 2017 bani bu mi me vege ni wo se egwe o wa no ho ni mani le gai ma me hin amari go me wo kan so ni ga kan amari gome amari aveve mego ike makpa ewo aritali medo ya wemi na do miegwe imani ritali na ne gomete woni meke na vian riwa wo ya me awe ko no mane me no eri gbe ko ne ke no gbe ya biko ebe no wane metie vebe philippian won eva u visenva o we gi orion na ga gu wero be no ga gu jisu no gi so egborion ni mai mi na ati mi awe iya he wini ahogi agodo we pa yen ketenire no wan be la o wan be no ti do level yi o wa ka bo wa da me wi pe video ni ban o we o wan no te o wan no omunu the news ni ban o we dere oni aso ya ka bere ne na odion we wo ni wo gi u igba manore wo ni wi agi u o keke emi na sunu da go local government o heke no ore do veri we gbayo because amega siyon to segbe o heke awaga vie iwe we gbe avie aro be ko pa because pa ma yakin no ke emi dereri maropa wagi aro wagi ayi negbe veni wa gwana ba wana wati me bana elo anikin meno so so aso person meno Jackson wo sunu ebo wa koko wa gbe me the next ya iwari wallet me the resident meje iwari sign moto ide you dene no ya bagba wori weapon I wari bet no tick iri eye kun we no heke iri eye kun ina do wa okuku gbe no igiriri bet ni iboli agbo a iwe kun na kie o ya ya tin ebo weke no ye e mani wa heme iya ti wa zinu nu meni wa ma wa we o mona Evoni yema imwevo ye owisi regbe ne ari ti ogbalegbe mare ari ti ablance mare iwa mo yi moto ya iseva igwe e doctor na gugbina iwe ne mena we iwe dabo gba oge no ke anebe you have to do the treatment before resident if you don't so no that will hold you responsible okpa we na gripe ya tore salobo agena a cause for liberation na bau una ga mi ma fan amos to dereve boy rebe Moses be besodos na ya mi ma go the way Moses was it. No, you are not a leader to be eating food or to be dragging money with people. You are a leader to protect other people so that osalobo no yagbon ye mi eni we ke no ye oyi rere iri we ke no ye etana ya mo se ma ya so for me ma boy ya de gbe gun kan do be otin aviri ma bi man redo ya hen mi ma yike do personally do report oku ke ko nyime no ma gba ni vie do ni social media no do aye vie gun fiu pe gedo ya be ran to e ma wa e no si e no na sunu because mamu gbe ma gboto very gwansina nia ye ti lu e no ma keke I ma so ni anybody yo ebe no wan tie wa be tie Ebe Proverbs 14 verse 31 away righteousness exalts a nation but sin is a reproach right standing o wana mudia sevekesi oten wo mu owo oku ofun anonevo mati ebe no wan waga ka about ese ebe bunore be no wan osalobo agbegan me no ebe no wan ebo tie ya dole wo yi ana emi wo wi we ila webo ebo mi o mi enfan veze ebo mi enfan veze most of our corner ni mami wonze ni o ma be ni mamu we yo nyan o wa me sympathy o wa me ko no ma o na do komu yeze wi na abe school e ma uwe last year ma o me wan carton pa ogwo ko pa Italy oko no runda we o mi emi ma maybe be do abi aruwo ko ni owo ko ni ohu ni ina ti a oni agi e gan ewe to mi go o hagbon to many siwa o yoko ni yawe for those of us no kabole le news kakabo of Italy no it was a young lady that lady is a captain it was almost being jail when I saw it na Osalobo mudiano hona ese igbe o ma gba wo bi webo ewe to bi we o me go gbe enwa o wuyo bo no bi webo ba one way or the other enwa gba wo bi webo ogbalegbe we no gba orebo o bi gba ore ma na ku bi ban are we emi sun da we run de na ma na ku ajo ayerere but e manu we wa no wa siko we wa we yan he so it's our responsibilities are nana ya fe te mi no heke na dori budete yi mi no de negotiable a must of enable to a must o heke na wa we have gbama ya fe iwe hamu wana particularly avo dion we na eje ma be 60 years no na sagian yeton wa rikonu wa do no wa bo state government no wa hama we no wa one wa ye to wa riba ya no igo about the security system in Edo State about the courtesan killing in Edo State we should try and stop it. We can stop it. International community I only have the way international community to stop a courtesy Edo. Me ma be ro. Fula ni esme. Oh gawa. Uwe on oviedo, oviesan. Oh gawa no ba wan ma we. We be ma no be giwe no ya gbe lo ma wa. We be ma no we sigbina ro keke na ne ma be ya be wulo. So wagi ma wi yo finu me wori. Ewo. Nana da. Innocent people sagging. Elawo dao. Okay, kaka about D man. Since 1897, 100 years ago, edo ye yeke na ye wonpa akugbo eti wan egbo dene wage akugbe na siri opa areke na legberi imaworo wari me yaze iwe gwalo very wa ko waro na imi orun ya agwe anybody gwan but ona we dey where ana gie me we omo na lare eme mawonu ewe bonu veju ma o emi so kere nu ve wu enu abi eti ve wu no tedo unu ya agwo ba dole do yiwe ni na sota awe edo to the world ume handwork make edo great unu umenu yevo umabe na gbin uhe uwe mechanic umake mechanic workshop uwe feeling uma ma hairdressing unu ewu ya ma a government ma create a job when na ki enwu na wewe webo when na mena so wa even tambola wa gbon very maga avele li Jesu woje maga avele li Jesu kian because o memi na mi wo boy e mani ko mi o mi ayi ona be maya iwe mi no bun o hana i Jesu otai ni kata mi maba orebe no wan owo ma na ga me o hua 100 owo pa iwi ona kwie e 99 ni ona vian ye fon pa ona ya gwa lo pa ni o ya ma iyoga yemi so that Rumie cannot place value on every single thing that you have. That's the problem we have today. After all, Odion we Aro and Vagulona, the rest are still there. We are blaming the government. We are directly involved about the in-development of our state. By one way or the other, I'm beseeching us today. We are directly involved, including me. Very my own doaye. First and foremost, the youth, they must stop killing themselves. You are matured enough. And I suspect you any. Edo State can be autonomous of his own. If we say tomorrow working now, Edo State want to become a country of his own, where are we going to start? They prove Maria Ladian. Human trafficking, we are number one. Where we are number one in human trafficking. Misbehaving social media, I don't know number one. I don't know number one. Oh my, what's here? Born in phone, who sent them those things? We are going to be looking on these things. I want to at least see how we do about these things. Whosoever the traditional ruling council who are giving all those riffraff, the infantry to stand for the community. Me myself, I want to know. I want to do my personal investigation before I call it a day. Me ma una swear me no magba. Mi daya fe oreke na emayi okwo waronia o ma wala dian o we e gosi yan iwa wewu ibi edo wa we velele is your choice. There's no problem about that. But wuwaigwerima, watch out. There are so many that is fishing. And then bawe I won't wakugbe ayare. Hebrew chapter 13 verse 1. Or we let brotherly love continue. Ikata ade. Awemegbe. Giara mu ekianri. Why would brotherly love continue? Continue with this your dirty character. No, it will not happen. We may one day. Iye will lie with bone. In social media na mena the one where I am to bring the palace down. I don't even talk about it. What we know that time, we can't tell them who you when you told it. But today, see mesmerizing. The gods of our land. A dirty human being. Always dirty in. Then you share such video. I'm seeing the fake testimony going on social media. Why go away so need those you waladian? Particularly that particular boy that said he flew from Spain. After coronavirus, we'll go to investigate you. Or now in America, FBI. This one is real. We'll go to submit. I kept that video already. We'll go to investigate you. We'll go to see how you flew from here, from Spain, to go and be killing people in Nigeria. Such people like you want to rot them in jail. We support all manner of things. Right now, testimony is now going on in social media, which we know is 100% fake. Why do we always patronize evil things? Why? Why the intelligent as those have overmuted? Why? Today, no try to respect you guys again. Oma leg be many or the way or mana or the leg be me fiakpa for our men do yeah. No. Mana tu ye domo. Rundi ni meni manye. Mame winobo. Obere social media. Omanya wa revo. Uwe 15 years uye revo. Omen uye. Mono sense tigoro kon. Oku no bun yeve de. Oheke ni magbo we. Usaloba no jagun je mi. No ga su ma ya kan rin be ni Jesu Kristo no mi wa fa. So ya mo iso to na be ma. Ni we tasewo wale ya we mi. Ni ma we tasewo wa gbe me yomo because edo we emi ma o ma ota. Maybe me no heke ni lo. Ima lo ese bo wa te mo wi wa mu pa mu we renge e na ya fe ni tana ima so we mistake abo abemi kuna do bo aro do se 20%. At least a video no ma be wu o be mi 80 over 100. Agbo ma na ekweku. Wari no manoro. Wari ne manoro fo. Iri ate kana tsese ne. Akudo mi we o be hin dokpa. Wa ya wa ibi ese o wa bi dolewo. Oba atokpe ise. Now, Waga, let's try and share this video. God bless you all. Today, 16th of April 2020. Please, let's try and stop supporting all these evil people. We are making it to multiply. Why Gaga patronizing and you see social media today, a lot of things are happening. How long are we going to continue in this kind of society? We both see nene. We both see nene. God bless you all. God bless you all. Until I come across the way again, I remain your brother, your friend. Community from the Bishop of Activism. We'll keep on doing our best from here to see how we decolonize the mind of our youth. All our fathers and mothers at home, so please stand up and let's build a state. Let's build a state. We cannot continue like this. Good night. Awaken Dokpa. Wabe vege ka even ni Jesu Kristo no mi ma fan. Ise